Alright, so today we're doing a closet clean out. So that's the top part of it. This is the second little thing. Got the towels. It's just very dirty, very unorganized, very stuffed, very just thrown in. So we're going to, I can't really get a good picture because this bathroom is not that big, but we're going to clean all this out, reorganize all of this stuff. Yeah, so that's what we're doing.
Yeah. Father God, as I come to you right now, I just pray for protection and disconnection from anything fake in my life, you know. God, I just ask you to remove anything unreal, anything unclean right now in your holy name, you know. Father God.
Got these baskets from Target. They're like $7.99. These I literally just painted. If you can kind of see, they're still blue, but I just wanted the outside to be black. And then already had those, and then also I had these in the house. So oh my god, cracking. Also had those in the house, so those were free, and these were free, and so were these. These were free. I really only bought those, but I bought those a while ago, so technically free. But yeah, I think I'm gonna kind of go with this look for now. I'll probably space those out, and then I think I'm gonna add a couple of baskets down there for extra storage. And yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking like. This is the state of the living room. Leave a little bit right there, but this is it. So I'm gonna go get some of the bins that I intended on using and fold up a few things, and yeah.
Much later.
I decided to make my own labels. I used some paper that I already had and wrote down what was going in the basket so there will be no confusion of where things go. I used tape to laminate those since they're going in the bathroom, and I also used clip magnets that I got from the dollar store.